You turned off location tracking. You think your phone doesn't know where you are. You're wrong. The conventional wisdom is simple. Turn off GPS, and your phone can't track you. That logic made sense in 2012. In 2026, it is dangerously outdated. Here's the truth. Your phone has at least 6 different ways to know exactly where you are, without GPS. First, your Wi-Fi radio. Even when you're not connected to a network, your phone is constantly broadcasting a signal that nearby routers can triangulate. Every Starbucks, every mall, every airport you walk through is building a movement history tied to your device ID. Second, Bluetooth. Same principle. Your phone pings nearby Bluetooth beacons, including the ones inside retail stores, that log your precise location within meters. Third, cell tower data. Your carrier knows which towers you connected to and when. This data is sold to data brokers legally under what's called a location analytics license. Fourth, motion sensors. Your accelerometer and gyroscope track your movement patterns. Researchers at Princeton demonstrated you can identify a person's commute route from accelerometer data alone, with no location access required. Fifth, ultrasonic tracking. Some ads emit a high-frequency sound your phone's microphone picks up, inaudible to you, that syncs your phone to a specific location or time. Sixth, your IP address. Even at home on your own Wi-Fi, your rough location is always available to any site or app you visit. Now here's what you can actually do about it. On iPhone, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Tracking, and turn off Allow Apps to Request to Track. Then go to Location Services and change every non-essential app to Never. On Android, Settings, Location, and Review App Permissions. Revoke location from anything that doesn't absolutely need it. For Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, don't just toggle them off. On Android, some apps can still ping nearby networks. Use airplane mode in sensitive situations. Use a VPN. Not because it hides GPS, it doesn't, but because it masks your IP address and encrypts your traffic from the apps watching it. NordVPN and ProtonVPN are the ones I'd recommend. NordVPN has a link in the description with a discount. Turn off ad personalization on both Google and Apple accounts. This doesn't stop tracking, but it limits how your data is connected and sold. The hard truth is, zero tracking is not achievable on a smartphone, but dramatically reducing it is. And knowing what you're up against is the first step. You have a right to move through the world without being cataloged. Enforce it. For a complete privacy audit checklist covering your phone, browser, email, and financial data, grab the guide at funbiz.gumroad.com. Get the complete digital privacy audit at https://funbiz.gumroad.com.